LYRA up a massive 480.53% in the pre-market session of today, the 2nd of June 2025. The company indicated that it had success. Let's see now. That news has come up. Yeah, says phase three trial for nasal implant for chronic rhinosinusitis met endpoints. So that's what is behind this huge spike. And on this 2 hour chart, not very long ago, we saw, look over here, you see the projections over here. Let's see now, not very long ago, we saw some very diverse range. You can see that 38.28, 62.09, 75.42, 83.65. We're adopting that as our projections. There's absolutely no guarantee that this will happen. You can see here on this two minute chart. Not that it's going to be of much relevance. It's indicating that lower prices should come in. So we come all the way down to the 4 hour chart. You can see it's also extrapolating lower prices, and we have been able to digest some some projections. Let's see now whether we can pick them up. We have it here on Notepad. Let's see whether we can pick them up. Let's see whether we can pick up what we have been able to digest for LYRA. So what we have is yeah, very well. Very well. It's dealing with a it's dealing with a highly volatile, potentially news-driven event. That's absolutely ascertained. Let's see now. Critical observations: all first derivatives are positive, but second derivatives of its price pressure momentums are negative, indicating momentum is strong but is decelerating. A classic sign of a potential reversal or consolidation. That's what we have in place here now. The 4 hour chart is indicating deceleration. Let's see now. We'll just go all the way down to its trade setup. So you can imagine that given the spike, it's going to be presenting an opportunity for short sellers to get involved, or for option traders to trade puts. Yes. So the strategy is to fade the spike with tight risk management. Entry will be around 25 to $28 range on any bounce, and then stop loss at $32, and then target will be $12 to $15. So it's expected that it might even dip all the way down to I've actually seen 4.5 yeah. So but in any case, the first target, if you're getting into this trade, will be $12.5, and then next target will be like $7 to $8. The probability of a pullback to $7 to $15 range is 65%. Then if you are positive about the company, then this is the trade setup for between 1 to 3 months will be wait for a consolidation, then buy the dip. So watch the zones between $5.5 and $6 near okay, yeah, watch that zone between $5.5 and $6, and then entry will be scaling between 5.5 and $7 if consolidation occurs. Okay, then stop loss will be like $4.5, and then your target will be like $12.5. Sorry, $12 to $15. This is also where this happens to be where the target of the short bet, the bearish bet. So them 70% chance of it retracing towards $5.5 to $7 range before any sustained move higher. Usually, yes, when these sort of things happen, there's no. I mean, you should expect a contraction to happen before a move high again. But yeah, it may not happen that way. Okay, there's risk considerations: extremely highly volatile. Make position sizing critical. News driven moves can be unpredictable. Yeah, so consider this as a speculative play with appropriate risk allocation, 1 to 2% of portfolio or even less than that. Okay, so negative, yeah, so negative second derivatives across all its price pressure momentum timeframes suggest the parabolic move is losing steam. So make the short-term fade strategy statistically it makes the short-term fade strategy statistically favorable. Yeah, so the chance of it pulling back, if it's optionable, then it's a better bet to trade the options, to trade the puts. The chance of it pulling back and playing up again, um, of the chance of it pulling back is there, but it's the chance of it um, moving up again is not so high. So once again, we're sticking with those projections we saw at 8.28. Okay, between $4.5. That will be the range, but upper projections that 8.28, 62.09, and 5.4 to 83.65. There's absolutely no guarantee that anybody should listen to that at all, to pay any heed to that at all. So we have seen intraday high of 39.58, but yeah, you see the trade setup in the description box below. So thank you very much for watching this video.